Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our newest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first way that you can make money online in South Africa is by doing affiliate marketing. Now, most of the websites that I've shown you guys, in fact most probably all of them, have an affiliate marketing option. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is literally where you can get a percentage of something just by referring it to different people. It is a very simple and straightforward task. It's not as easy as it seems, but if you just understand the basics and the economics of how it actually works, you could actually make money. Now, there are hundreds of apps. You could scroll down the videos on the channel and you could definitely find something that obviously has affiliate marketing, and you can become an affiliate marketer program. You can become part of the program, and once you do that, you will always get 30% of whatever they make when people use your link. So you have your own special link. When people buy that thing using your link, then you will make a 20 to 30% commission. Now, if somebody buys something for $600 and then you make 30% of that, you could make little from $100 to $200, and that is a lot of money. So all you need to do, guys, do research on it. You could go on the videos that I have made on the channel and you can literally find a website that has the option, and you could definitely get into affiliate marketing and you should be okay. Now let's get on to the next way that you can make money in South Africa. Now, the next way that you can make money in South Africa is by doing freelancing. Freelancing is when you pretty much just do a little bit of piece jobs here and there. Fiverr is definitely the best freelance website ever because you could literally offer whatever service that you have, whatever skill that you have, and you can literally offer it to somebody else. You can price it however you want to do it. If you're a good voiceover artist, if you're a good drawer, singer, you want to write music for somebody, you want to be a songwriter, a rapper, whatever you want to do, whatever service you want to offer somebody, literally there are even social media managers, guys. You could literally get paid to social media manage somebody's account. Obviously it's not that easy, but you could definitely get paid for anything. So if there are any skills that you have, you could definitely go on Fiverr or Upwork. Upwork is just an app that is much more similar to Fiverr and how it works. It's pretty much the same thing. And then once you do that, you could definitely become a freelance worker doing anything, really. You could also go on a website. There was an app that I told you guys where you could literally teach things. If you understand English fluently, you could literally teach it and get paid per hour. You don't need a certificate, you don't need anything of the sort, and you can definitely be okay. Now let's get to the last way that you can make money in South Africa. The last way that you can make money in South Africa is by selling courses. Now let me give you a detailed explanation to that. So there are people on YouTube who run ads on videos who want to teach people how to do things like forex and a bunch of trading things. So you could also do that. All you need to do is set up a website, get money to make ads, and you could literally create a online course for pretty much anything. How to become a successful YouTuber, how to take good photos, how to become a good coder, and even forex. The possibilities are literally endless. Literally all you need to do is to make sure that you have the skill so that these people do not feel scammed out of their money money when you actually offer them the service. And if you do that, watch some videos on how to set up a domain and how to set up a website. And if you do all of that, guys, then you should be okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. If you made it to the end of the video, think you are a star. The giveaway is happening next week, so make sure that you comment, make sure you do everything in your power, and you might be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 rand at the end of the day. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Love y'all.